Welcome to Onyx. We came over here to show you guys a box forging furnace. And if we walk around to the front, you'll get a better perspective of how large the furnace actually is. What we're not seeing right now is there is no door on this furnace. I think oftentimes when people hear about Onyx and that we make furnaces, they think that we make furnaces for people's houses. But this is, you could tell the size of a furnace like this.
Can I ask where we're standing at this point in time?
Yes, we're in our precast operation, and in precast, it's much like baking a cake. We start out with what would be like flour, and we add it into a mixer with water, and then we pour it into a form, and on these molds we vibrate it just to get the air bubbles out of it.
I enjoy most about my job is being somewhere different. Usually every week we're only on job sites for usually a couple days, a week or two at the most, so we get to see a lot of different things.
I'm a little intimidated. When I came into Onyx, there were quite a few men.
It's tough sometimes. I can pretty much do everything that they can do, except when it comes to like lifting heavy things. Like I think I'm pretty strong, but there's some things I just can't do.
To be a woman in your position or just in manufacturing?
So I feel that it's very fitting. My job requires me to do a lot of different tasks. Women are great multitaskers.
We build the air piping and the gas piping for the furnaces that we build.
For every one manufacturing job, we create 3 other jobs in our community. So I employ 60 people, and that's 180 additional jobs.